Alright, what's up guys? I posted a video the other day. I might not have been too clear on some of the issues I was having. I've had this bike for a little while, got in a little accident, got it repaired, got it back and got it cranked up. And it sounds like I'm having a funny noise, almost like a valve knock right inside of there. Now way you can see that. Sounds like it's coming from right up there in the valve cover. Crank it up, let you hear it, see what you think. Got a little cosmetic issues, but not too awful bad. You hear that? Almost like missing a plug or a valve knock. Turn it off. I don't want to run it too much just because I don't know what that is. So if you could please, if you got any ideas what it could be, just comment below. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.